Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, today I will be showing you how I make my reusable dryer sheets. Yes, I'm going to be making some reusable dryer sheets here that I have purchased from Dollar Tree. And these are my Dollar Tree items. It's vanilla fabric softener. And I also got my resealable jar from Dollar Tree. And I also bought these Brillo Basic reusable wipes. Come in a count of 9, multi-purpose here. And I only spent $4 on this DIY. And this is my DIY reusable dryer sheets. So let's get to it. And when when you go to the Dollar Tree, you will be saving money by making your dryer sheets reusable. So you can save a lot of money. You spent your $4, you can keep using it over and over again. So let's get started. I have already cut these individual. It's 9 in a pack, so it should be 48 how I'm going to cut them. Take these out. Put that to the side. And it's going to cut it across. Cut these cloth into halves. And then I'm going to open them. And cut them again. They're so thin, you all. Have a way you make suitable by cutting these an easier way than I am doing it. I'm going to open them again and cut them. So I can have 48 wipes. And just keep doing this over and over again with your sheets. Do them like that and you can cut them again. Okay, while I'm doing this, it's going to save time, so I'm going to go off camera. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, I have cut these up already in halves, these Brillo Basic reusable wipes. And now that I have placed them in a bowl, I'm going to take some of them out because now I will be adding my vanilla softener in here. Okay, I have already put some softener in here in a little water when I add my wipes in here. So let's get started. And matter of fact, these right here, when I cut them, this is going to give you 48 reusable multi-surface wipes because it comes in a pack of 9. It comes in a pack of 9. Okay, so let's get started. And I love this freshener here because fabric softener because it's vanilla and I love vanilla. Yes, I love that vanilla soft sensual smell. We're gonna work with these right here and we're going to pour our fabric softener on. like so. And you want these to saturate, because when you get through washing, you want these to be ready when you put them in your dryer or your spin wash. So as you can see, you can just keep them neatly. You don't have to take them apart, just as long as they are layered. In the solution, your fabric softener. It's fabric softener of your choice. Like I said, I only spent like $4 or $5 for my DIY. 2 fabric softeners, my jar here, and my Brillo basic reusable wipes. And I already had this glass bowl here. Okay, now that's saturated. Now it's time to put them in our, let's close this up. Put them in our suction. I'm gonna flip it up and open it. This is a resealable container. Keep all the sensual smells in it. Now I'm going to fold it. In order them to get in here, I'm going to fold it outward in and fold it one more time, 4 times, and put them in there. Fold it once more, and lie them in there. You can get however many you want because they're so thin. Ooh, I can't wait to smell my clothes. And I will show you that after my clothes have finished spin drying. Open it, close it, and layer it. Okay. And there you have it. Your DIY reusable dryer sheets. Clip that back on to stay sealed in. And that's your reusable dryer sheets here. Yes. It's the glass jar. You can swirl your solution around in here, your fabric softener. But this is it. My reusable dryer sheets DIY. Do it yourself. Yes. Okay, I will be back to show you while my clothes are spin washing. Okay guys, I'm back. My clothes have finished washing. So as you can see, I have my dryer sheets ready. And by the way, I did add about 3 or 4 dryer sheets into my washer. This is a portable washing machine here that I do have. Just let me let you see it. This is my portable washing machine. The washer is 15 minutes. And it gets your clothes 85% dry. And this is my spinner. It's not a dryer, it's a spinner. You can put it on soft, normal, and you can also drain it. When you wash, you can drain it. And when you also spin wash it, you can drain it. But this is the spin wash side, and it's only for 5 minutes. So your clothes spin wash for 5 minutes, and it gets your clothes 85% dry. So yes, there it is. So we're gonna get started. And that's the compartment of it when you open the spin dryer up. Flip it up, it stays up. And this is the lid here. And you also have this right here. It goes inside of the spin wash. And to keep the clothes compressed, you just slide in there and lay this on top of the clothes. Press it down so it can be compact. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get ready to put my dryer sheets in here. That's one. As you can see, they are compact. It's two. I'm gonna put about 3 of them in there. And 3. Okay. Move that out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna take my clothes out here. Of the spin wash. And I'm going to put them in my spin dryer here. And by the way, this portable washing machine, you can put 10 to 12 items in here. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I have gotten my garments out. And my clothes smell so good, you all. Got my garments out of my spin wash here. And if you're wondering where their dryer sheets are, there they are. Yes, all dried up. So these are reusable. And they still have their lovely smell, but you can put them back in your container. My dryer sheet container, I'm going to put them right back in there. Oh, a little wire thing, that's okay. Yeah, so you could just place them back in here at the bottom. And as you can see, I have a lot of solution in there. And you can just wiggle them around like so. Just move them around so that other cloth you just put in there can get saturated. And there's the other ones ready to be used again. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for tuning in to Explicit Wellness. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos.